Good morning, students. Today we will see conditional identity in trigonometry. Okay, so what about the conditional identity? Whenever you are going to solve the questions of conditional identity, very first remember that there is a condition which will be given, and using that condition you have to prove the required result. Okay, for the example, I have given one question. This is one condition is given: if sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1, then you have to prove cos square theta plus cos to the power 4 theta equal to 1. So here there is a condition, and using this condition you have to prove this result. Okay, so students, in conditional identity we will also use the trigonometric identities formula that I had given in last class, and in last class also I have discussed some question. Okay, so how to solve this question? Remember that one, this is the conditional identity. If is a condition, this one is a condition, and using that you have to prove this. So we will start solving from the condition that is given: sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. Now it's a very difficult how we will get this result. It's a sine theta, sine square theta, how to convert this one into cos theta. So sine square theta and sine square theta I can write in terms of cos theta. How? Let us see. So sine theta, this sine square theta we will write on right side. As it will go to the right side, it becomes plus, will be changed into minus. So 1 minus sine square theta. Now sine theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta is what? Already I have given its a formula. 1 minus sine square theta means cos square theta. Okay, now look at the result. In the condition that we have to prove this required result, there is a cos to the power 4, cos to the power 4 theta. So here it is cos square theta. Now question is that how I can make this 2 into 4. So no doubt we have to take its a square. So how? On squaring both side. If you will do the square on both sides, sine theta will change into sine square theta, and cos square theta, it is already there. If you will find its a square, then it will change into cos to the power 4 theta. Okay, so sine square theta equal to cos to the power 4 theta. Now sine, so therefore we can write sine square theta equal to cos to the power 4 theta. Now still sine is there. I have to remove this sine theta into cos square theta. How we can remove? So there is a formula for sine square theta. What is its a formula? Sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta equal to cos to the power 4 theta. Okay, now look at that. Cos to the power 4 theta and cos square theta both are in same side. But here we can see that cos square theta is in left side and cos to the power 4 theta in right side. So both the cos ratio, cos trigonometric ratio, we will write in same side. So what will be there? 1 will be remain same, and cos to the power 4 theta, when this cos square theta will goes to the opposite side, minus will change into plus. So cos square theta, finally we can write cos square theta plus cos to the power 4 theta, and this one equal to 1. This is your final required result. So did you see that how we are using this condition? One condition had given, and using this condition I obtained the required result. So in same way you have to go whenever you are getting conditional identities, one way that you can identify there will be a condition, and if this condition is given you have to use this condition to get the required result. Okay, so I will discuss some more questions. You just pay attention and try to solve the questions from your textbook. Okay.